Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show you how to make a delicious omelet in your electric cooker. First, let's get our ingredients ready. You will need 2 or 3 large eggs, 1 tablespoon of milk, and any fillings you love. Make sure to dice your vegetables, like bell peppers or onions, into small, uniform pieces. Also, shred about 1/4 cup of your favorite cheese. Finally, lightly grease the inner pot of your electric cooker with 1 teaspoon of butter or oil. Now let's get cooking. In a bowl, whisk your eggs, milk, a pinch of salt, and pepper until they are well combined and slightly frothy. Next, gently fold in your diced vegetables and shredded cheese. Once everything is mixed, pour the entire egg mixture into the greased inner pot of your electric cooker. Set your cooker to the sauté or low setting and cook for approximately 10 to 12 minutes. During cooking, it is important to monitor your omelet. Keep the lid slightly ajar to allow steam to escape. This helps prevent a watery texture. Check for doneness when the edges appear set and the center is mostly firm. If it needs a little more time, cook for an additional 2 to 3 minutes. Once perfectly cooked, carefully slide your fluffy omelet onto a plate using a non-stick spatula. Your delicious electric cooker omelet is ready to enjoy. Garnish it with some fresh herbs like chives or parsley for an extra touch of flavor. Serve it immediately with a side of toast, fresh fruit, or a light salad for a complete and satisfying meal. For an even fluffier omelet next time, try adding 1 teaspoon of baking powder to your egg mixture. Feel free to experiment with different fillings like ham, spinach, or various cheeses to customize your perfect breakfast.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.